Hey there, fitness fam. Welcome back to my channel, One Life to Lift. Now in my last video on Tonal, I covered all the best accessories that you can get for your Tonal home gym. Now as you all know, I think that Tonal home gym is a fantastic piece of equipment, but it was always missing one thing: ankle straps. Well, the people over at WEIGUZC sent me a little product that I could test for them to help fill in that gap and bring some new exercises to your fitness routine. Now, I was lucky enough to get my hands on these ankle straps, and I decided to put them to the test for this video. But if you want to see some examples of just ankle strap exercises that you can do for your Tonal to strengthen up your booty and your lower back, stay tuned. And we'll see if these straps are worth buying for your workouts. Coming right up. Now, before we get started, I should mention that since Tonal doesn't currently sell any ankle straps of their own on their website, they don't really have any official exercises that you can use them for, so you have to get a little bit creative. So what you're going to want to do is go into the Tonal menu, and you want to choose a custom exercise and set it to like a light starting weight. And then you can use the free lift mode to do whatever exercises you normally do at the commercial gym with like their cable column. So basically what you're going to want to do is just set one of the Tonal arms all the way to the bottom position. Then you're going to want to attach one of the straps to your ankle and then hold onto the Tonal frame for some support and some balance, and then you're good to go. So what can you do with these straps? What I like to do is mainly hip extension and hip abduction. Those are both going to target the glutes. Hip extension is going to target your gluteus maximus, which is the big old butt muscle in the back, and then the hip abduction is going to target your hip abductors, which is what's going to work the gluteus medius and the hip abductor muscles that give you that nice round bubble butt that kind of fills out the rest of the glutes and the rest of the butt when you're trying to do a workout. And then also, if you want to, you can do some of the hip flexion where you go to the front, or you can actually do some hip adduction where you go to the inside or medial part of the body where you're kind of like doing a motion like you're passing a soccer ball to somebody. That one isn't maybe the most useful exercise. I would probably recommend that you stick to the extension and abduction exercises for most people in like a rehab setting or just in the setting where you want to build a big booty. Those are going to be the best bang for your butt. I mean, the best bang for your buck, because that's going to target the butt muscles the most. So now you know how to do these exercises, but how do these ankle straps that I was sent to review actually hold up? Let's go through some of the features here. They're basically going to come with something that looks like this. It's the ankle strap itself, which is going to have like a nice Velcro on here, and then that's just going to go around the ankle, and there's kind of like a padded portion, which makes it a lot more comfortable when it goes around your ankle than like what I've done sometimes at the gym, which is where I take the handles straps that you'd use for a cable column and try and put that around your ankle. That doesn't feel very good. But yeah, this is some good strong Velcro here, and it's going to come with a D-ring on there, and then that D-ring is going to attach to the T-lock system, which is what you're going to need and able to use your Tonal system, okay? So if we look closely here, there's going to be a D-ring that goes onto the cable strap right here, which you can actually use with pretty much any kind of cable column exercise. And then on top of that, you're going to attach this little carabiner, and that carabiner is attached to one of these T-locks. And the T-lock is what you need to attach to Tonal. Tonal uses their own proprietary system for attaching to the cable unit, so you're definitely going to need one of these. Buying it actually is worth it just to get one of these little attachments, which Tonal does sell on their website. But you know, if you just want the whole package that's going to work well together, this is nice because it actually comes with everything together. You just take this carabiner, you clip it on here, it actually comes like this, right? And there you go. Now you have a nice shiny version of the T-lock that you can use. This is kind of like a more chrome finish that they put on there as opposed to Tonal's default ones, which I'll show you guys some B-roll footage right now comparing the T-lock that comes with a Tonal versus the T-lock that comes from WEIGUZC. They seem to be good welding, they seem to be very shiny, and they work pretty much just the same. So it's a nice little package. It comes with everything that you need. And so yeah, just basically these ankle straps seem to be of good quality. There's some pretty good stitching on there. I've been using them for about a week and there's no signs of tear. They have a nice strong Velcro on them. The connection using the T-lock feels pretty good. No sharp edges or any welding issues. But these are just nice to have, even if you don't have a Tonal, just to buy for these attachments. But the fact that it comes with one of these attachments and then you get two of them means that you get two of these T-locks for just over the price of what you'd probably be paying to get the Tonal T-locks from their website. So if you haven't already bought yourself some backup pairs of T-locks to use your own special equipment, I don't see why you wouldn't start with this, because it comes with the T-lock attachments and it also has the ankle straps. So it's kind of a no-brainer to buy this one in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. I do plan on actually doing like a video in the future showing how you can use these on your wrist in case you ever sprain your wrist and you can't use your hands to actually grip handles. And I know that there's a lot of people with disabilities out there that simply can't use their hands because they can't form a good grip. And I do plan on doing a video in the future that's like a follow-up to this one, where I'll show you guys just some quick exercises that you can do that are like alternatives to grabbing onto handles. So if you know anybody that has a disability who they can't work out because they can't hold on to the dumbbells, or they can't hold on to the cable column attachments with the handles, or they can't do any of those exercises because of their grip, if you get one of these and they have a tonal, they'll be in business. And I think it's totally worth it to get one of these if you have that kind of issue. And if you guys do buy this, make sure that you use my affiliate link down below. I'll have it right in the product description. And as long as you click on that link and you're still within that browsing section, I'll get a small percentage of the sale. And that'll just be nice as like a thank you for me showing this exercise to you. Oh, and also make sure that you guys check out my other 2 tonal videos that I did. The first video was on my favorite tonal features in case you're interested in buying a tonal. But if you already have a tonal, check out my other video that I did showing the 5 best accessories that you can get for the tonal, where I cover things like ankle straps and other things that you might not thought of when you first got your tonal. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, stay strong and stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and remember, you only have one life to lift.